Abusia say she be a smart Ghana update so. No be akwa ba we news updates we did adwa e champoma fix the country as they say no and our agent the na twa no ho e was social media ne ba be month so ne over so na fix the country and I fix the country no obia e wo ne side we dey ka say fix the country e bi dey say o makwan ye e bi che say nsuo e say nsuo mu asema kwa ahwe e bi so che say fuel ene na eje kwa the fuel dey e binya ka I say obu mi studio ha say that otu fam so krako ono so de e fuel na so obia face the country challenge na beto no mo obia o de ewo ma eye wono ne major issue and I said the major problem e ka no krenka o mampanyine affix e de afri ho ama no na sanse mi ho e na owura ne din e de akosi ade wodike ono e na ye kofare bai e na afi franka tuni e ma ye United Progressive Party itwa ne tiaka de say UPP wakasa no che say face the country about for be data mampanyini na mampanyina face the country semu no say we kete ya de kete ya de mampanyini hia ene say obemma eye ono owura odike obebo ne pa no ama ne just 100 Ghana cedis enka disika 1 million han my man from so 1 million obemma ne nka disika 1 million o ma no 1 million ye ne sika 100 Ghana cedis problem na solve ono owura akosi odike obe face country ni just like that but there wonu di hia ne say mampanyini na mo ne pa ene South Enche na ametie ni na eje ye ka say kuma na 1 million bia wanje opese mampanyini ankasa bo ne pa ese papa odike ma bo pa age 1 million na fe solve problem no efa free wo efa maye 1 million so yes so oje ne month for the past 3 years na kada mampanyini ni mina 3 years ni nyina o man just 1 million ebusia yentie eye owura odike mbra e ba na me na eje atwaso
Ghana for me do mu nyina Nanado, Bome pa 100 Ghana. Me 100 Ghana pay the free Nanado. I will face Ghana for him.
If I pay for and on behalf of Nanado, will you face
Nanado at the Ghana man say, me one
Ghana.
Me charge no me bela kusa. Me say it means Scalpra me tia me ba. Scalpra ebesham can answer. Wa ba me pa anya the body of the man.
Me decide say be tia.
Me sit here the American. Sikana me no. Sham can answer what bomb pa. I'm a bias in your own. And I'm just going to be I will face Ghana for him.
Okay.
I will face Ghana for
ODK SA President Akufo-Addo and appointed not on Chianom just 100 Ghana a month.
For 3 years, I can now. I need only 100 Ghana from him. Now I'm first Ghana.
I was already Kenya attending Kano no and a Franka Tuni no also the cycle for by not as a founder our UPP United Progressive Party or that no which is some penny money per 100 cedis then they do no or fix the country come at the man penny you gave up to us and I saw the comment about now for videos out there no like no share I will be so any be a share now I Jessica pa na give them a friend and friend bro nyame adom road casing ka 100 Ghana cedis to discover 1 million
yeah between we cross papers oh yeah some people are joking in this country
really
yeah a country of 30 million and over now if we will continue to joke about sensitive issues like this let's just say we are going to be seen as an unserious people, which is very sad. Hey, yeah, now we're also. So what I say, as I'm kasi yeah, abano here can na obia yes, anka all who knows up so be man penny or my now what they are some no edi agrosano.
Who say I good?
I good totally.
Wow.
Now let him mammy be bow. One go school bruni so by the church the power boy bruni. Aseme ya papa yi kenti wo kra na wote ho no. Ha? Wo na wankasa na wote ho ya wo asese aseme ya papa yi kanya gudie ma. See ama just
watinya bedi wo prince mi se oba bedi mampanyi ya wo de niam agu na akwam. Eti no de onu ni hia ne se mampanyi be ba no go ahead ne keke.
Enu nti ana mimi hunu se odidi agro no. Because ka catch him say o mampani pa onfa tuma na ontumi nyana mawo na ye na so tumi ya otua o car and come any problem but to say so almost just 100 cedis na obi a wo no
to se Ghana ho do
ena Ghana ho do ayema 100 series obi a wo pa kunya so ni 100 series dia na chese what do you mean say yen to obama na bi di mampani
100 series dey obi na say the big kai na e bi opese appoint like o mampani de shey nsem na ye evidence ese mampani de maame na matimi aye adwuma no
tie de me ka no amanyo sem yenye eyemfa niankro 100 series na wo kan obi will look at it from a different angle e bi a wo de opese nsana ho say o mampani abo pa 100 series na 100 series obi a wo osu be pa mampani di ye de 100 series bo pa na say how cheap can you be so what I say how cheap can you be it catches for the sake of Ghana o mampani Akufo-Addo when adwuma no ntumi nya on fame o me haime na menye adwuma no menye kapreba kora na meja medin the book of records say Odikosi-Addo odike me na o man no kwa ahoyehiem no me beji o man no firi ahoyehiem ede ko bosha asase so what I say
ba mampani possible say opinion wo too franka so da amanyoko bia no awo pressure da achi bi wetin abe mampani but wunyaye na de nyame na domo no nanya e de dwumadi e wose wono ni die e ma ne din be da ho butayenti agana fo to abama no eba mu no ne ya de brew na se wodi beje sa animonyam na sa animonyam no mampani no no zo se sebi to na agana fo to abama no na eva so ama so na se
na tie sebe de we na make na menka in it being possible or not me ka say oda fanse bia o say sebe me matro bia ejina ba bia tie obi ko okotana ba nchen a na opeso odwa nanum na oba no say oyegbo so oyogoro say da man fo bi kanu no so what I say because he need him say me bia atwam Kumasi Sports Stadium here ball itum light opani bia barata na okasama mampani no number kana gre so mampani bofu heads must roll you be inkofu adi mampani bofu pa ekoye echi sana mampani nka so what I say there's a manfo binum it was alleged some manfo binum information so munya eche say papa no sabre ne so atoto red wine bi ne ladies bi 20 no pesa manfo who say okuda power and sa anyama no enti yewura Akufo-Addo odike say MPP which has 216 representative to every region. So say Ghana has 16 regions, right? It is all more representatives of all the regions, all the districts, all the constituencies. Omunun to move by no. And I will Akufo-Addo odike one here for the people mine. Because omampani bia chi edomo egu and the cheni pakrono ni dwumadia oba bedi. So let's assume you cry say omampani no modern bono nko yeah. Ono Akufo-Addo odike no ne records a chese obutumi abedi mampani no way. Na nipa kra nso a na evidence a chese waboa no ho say obedi mampani no obebu ma no obu niye no e wa hefa. You know, sometimes enya agudie no okroma. So what I say because serious issues need serious attentions and emergency actions need emergency reactions. So what I say o mama trauma keka ensembia uza kwana oya an interview no sorry the host no ebisa and say okay me he did not even want to listen to the organ.
Also am pedi obedience and me na eje tie say Ghana for ka 100 cedi 50 cedi akwa ba ya menya 50 cedi emunya obenya na nka yenkeka mu ni efa kwa no so am pedi sa
se no kra no o stretch na chance obeka we to so dwene ho chance o say ma menka bibi sho na say this is the reason why me peace can free no because am ben no te akonya so na katua woje no bosumi akatua na ebubuja to ka ma 100 cedi a menini opesa o kire ena me kra de hot enya masem fan say eyenkeka hu no but wo no o records be na wo e kire say o ba be di Ghana no why Ghana ye because company say ofi create return order bo. So what I say the people who known to have the men but the men who can do the job are fight and struggling protector do you know squad ben on no be man
say manifest answer ni fani be to bo abona ni nesi bibi so
kroma de enifa for me be tu no abra nesi hwe so politicians be bli abua percent visa mu yefe na utu kwanya wa amre ti no obo apad no ho betwetwem na I'm telling you Kwesi Adewodike Ghana ya yodi ko gina if you come see akra yodi ko gina center market ko bi mu no
yes or pray for Mampeni
so pray for Mampeni that means you are not the more popular you are the more chances of becoming the president na enimu ha na ekoto aba ma ya make what you say ana enimu kra da na nchen sanyo da kope na edi hu ne nipa as o market ho kona no itumi hu ba won sem efru anu mu ba ene bedi adanse say papa yi ana maami wa na gidi say obetumi edi Mampeni wadi ye enti samba yenya abotani adasi ye nkofo akoma na bia odidi sa agro no
enti bia mfie miensa a wose ni na mu no baji 100 cities no e na wose nko nka ne se bia mfie miensa aka no osumi bia maji 100 cities o ka ne se bosumi bia so baji 100 cities a ene ka bo se seriousness no e wo ho kakra
amra o be pre Mampeni no even though say oko easy abako ko register any ade but o be pre obo eda obo ni trimpo say opeso gina for this position no wankoze obi e monopa Ghana hodo so to say Ghana hodo na abawumu
say obi so beka say Ghana hodo na ono na eye no say obi wo ho which is ye Mampeni na ye nyina ye peje ye ni a ono na eja obi ani to nanim e dey say ono ni wo ho enti before a obetimia bibi no wontimi mfiti prekope are say Mampeni ni ama sa to me no
yes so Mampeni ama to me no se opese wasame ye da ye imprisika kra imo ye pre agreement Mampeni ntumi a me kobna Adewodike Kwesi Adewodike ene so Mampeni di tumi ma me no sensan mitumi ya meji hande city mfie miensa na edi anim no menye kese but meji magana fo hu se metumi aye adwa no otua meka 3 years ede medua medi hande city na sane de oman ho do first ma me fa nko na anu ya eastern region unum se galamsey activities ya citizens na ho ne bi etumi ni soja for the ko bo ani say omompene emonye the you say galamsey no because Mampeni abra some yenye galamsey. This is what we call real nationalistic or real patriotic. So what I say, Oman can say, Mampeni yehunko fudu umlo to me scan yanko chiro baby omoshe. Na ye bra betchwom. They took the mantle to themselves. And I'm dikaka say emergency needs emergency response. Nti so when you abre pass o bibia sebe mo clear no ma konse yanko fu no even though say wo kan no nche to betumi ay cause Ghana ya tibibribi be
say be say be say na wo di say empo opportunity ni ba say yem fama papa odike na won fix Ghana would that be possible
aka bisa kran so anka ebe me won pa because medical chair was say Kwesi Adewodike na konde ni tools and an evidence say say Mampeni obetumi adi na way
any UPP
hey UPP do be atibi they say America say Kwesi Wisdom funny face aso ono kran so ba for president the Kwesi Wisdom for 2024
wow
first time Eminya Rastafarian as a president eti obetumi do anu aka company so do anu do
no kanka ebe ya manfo obi do
so what I say
so we ni sa ne manema na ye nchewa na ne sa ne manema nyen lai
Sane manyama ni
campaign ade ya
say me de mi hu so
say de ye believe ni so
your perception is Rasta bia
campaign
almost say Rasta bia na ye de na te
majority na
percentage was in there na
majority
something which is the enemy anti yam for man ho do asem bia ye ka bia no let's think about the country first let's put the country first on our chest before any other thing because enema ye pre na ye president Ghana be fa ntuma pefra maybe say there are several candidates who every 4 years participate in the elections, you know, just to better their CVs, just to better their visas. Sebe ya utukanya omre because obu ana no akaza kwa negotiate ko ngu giant man. Me ma typical example 1992 akobi jina na efene General Eskin no soja ni pani a retire free soja na obete ne party na to ba bia ono akogina ye no kra no ye koto ne ye ne manyi na to ye no koto ba onya wan
na zare ne makura to ama
ne ye ne makura to ama
omu so ma no ma waste vote
enti candidate bi o ha they are just in it ko titi din bia won so mo be pema mpania na mama mpania akonya na so cheap and style, but all the same, face the country there. They have the right to. Everybody has the right to talk about it. But solutions, lasting solutions, is what is needed most. My politics in Katakati na ye mun kontompo ye na na kore na na kore so ye na na kontompo.
Enti ye dey futu na de maye nyina ne papa odika o jeze se mampanyi ehwema na 100 Ghana cedis bibia be to yi.
Eno an na megusu America oyeyi. Onono kwasi odike no ye nyina nim se brebi okoka brof kakra ka bi o ayi mini so hwesa yi bia bata na ma meji no poku running Professor Nana Jino Poku Ajimai. Ona na ye moderator ma program no. Na kwasi ade ko kan brofu go be ye brofu kasi pa I castigate and many ade just sad and we are omo eje fans we say odika na be ya asa yarga. Ya just na ade o ma ade ye de ti euro dikase no the way we say agidi ni sa ne ma no. We feel say or more entertainer than a politician,
Really?
Yeah, me who say buying back also. You know what can say me? You between a entertainment industry, be a man.
Oh, Nadia, what's it?
I want to
because so be our team. I call to the extent some for a party, a United Party choose one party. That means or a serious person.
And I'm saying.
He mean business.
And some entertainment industry here. First of all, CEO of art and culture. Nasa yewura lanchamate. Wajina eyipen. Wajina for presidential aspirant da. Ewo ne party. And that's why a minister. It is the first one be what party no. That onokra na a big party.
I say Musa fana so adi hu so right so na ni so adi hu no ujichemu. I say what dey about for
from because
what share entertainment. Ono so dey na say mampanyini. No oba na ya siren ni na dimu na wa na sa na no.
Akwabika say wo US. Na ni ba so Libya. So obia wo ni vision. Vision there and I like him. You need to dream big. But the make am say you are not getting me well. The make say wo kwan e faso emani penije so what is it to be CEO of Abia Art and Culture and Ghana Film Industries and Kesaba back and no ye penny kwanche for danwa. He know how to convince investors some country na or minor entity because Ghana politician remanu see there but Ghana politician Ghana by Ghana for ankasa engineer no ade ba ko wo mo mese batomunim are no so munim so munim na bo pai na akro he kuma wudia Omatuna Jejemu Egui. Minuaba, I can tell you, say, Kumawood was one of the biggest contributor of national growth. Kumawood, because the Thomas Nijinamono, because we could try a Confornachi movie. Confornachi movie no could try and characters and over 200. Crew, and Sukran Nanson and crews and bear 20 and over. Okabume saying over 200 and something. Omo we are omo akotale poster, omo akoto CD, omo ahye CD. Into one movie mrabonte na ama nkofo ankwa nipa bet say 400 350 to 400 people there. Omo sa ko ma no. E dey ahwe dwuma ya na dwuma kwa na eko. Afi na omo se omo sa revive. Na omo so omo sa revive. Oba akofo nsa entumi nkata nyame etitam areas bi wa mama mpenifo no mfa nya bro so what's a problem about we quickly solve it because of your crime and so so ton ko industry nani pa na wo bebrebe week bi amfa produce stay crowd location na so bia on average on both characters and crew 20 and a what location look at it eboa ma wa ban ko so ton so but it looks as if says someone green enko ho says someone green ko na ho akande no munni whatever the ebon pa say face the country Mr. Odike with all due respect I love you so much but the abano enye fe dia gro na me aduna se bia say any opportunity no one sabe chiri more I mean give us more details as to why you work say yeah man just and this between face country my facing easy Akufo Addo ne papa dia konya da ho ne maame ya bam adwuma da ho ene ne nkofo bebrebe enti on grant to me anya e chese adwuma na edene ana so se koba say onu hu so ontumi nya chese adwuma na de nya betesa ntino omo kasem na omo me hu bedwum di free ba
we shall say na je ka so omo ka so me hu bedwum di free ba because man penyi ko opportunity no timi ko amaya ho do so ko bro mesia ekwaje wan ho ni $11 ekwaje wan ni US dollars wan ni dollars krompo no still won't be in second country how come say papa di case of the 1 million ebe fix be say the big kan wo no ma asoro beto bo abo say na esi bibi so mfre ni bo ho no ma ntie bi na esi bibi so en wonim ni awoka e de mo sia fa comment ba bi di adwo champo ma adom do me ye be sa ni mo hia me na eje be ma yakram